Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 420DM Sport Gran Coupe in Alpine White. So alongside that fantastic exterior colour, we've also added of course a full Your Next Car and Performance body styling kit to this facelifted 4 Series. Alongside that and including in is a brand new set of the 20-inch Mperformance style alloy wheels that also come with 4 brand new tyres. At the front of the car, you'll see it's a 2017 17 plate. I've already spoken about the fact that the car is a facelift model, so you get those fantastic LED facelift headlights. Down the side of the car, you'll see the BMW gloss black air breathers, alongside our satin side vinyls, matching sidebars, and the YNC Mperformance decals. One of the fantastic things about the Alpine White body colour is just how much it will help the body styling kit stand out, and is a really clean and tidy example we're showing you around today. Moving through to the interior, again a really nice contrasting interior for this vehicle. We've got the coral red Dakota leather, which in the front comes with both the heated and electric lumbar options, and as you can see there is a lovely clean and tidy example. It does come equipped with that fantastic 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and we shall talk more about the interior details shortly. Moving on to show you the rear seats, where you'll see that lovely Isofix 3-seat rear bench, a central folding armrest, and again working nicely with both the interior and exterior colour is that darkened M Sport headlining. Before heading round to the back of the car, there you can see once again just how well and nice and clean and tidy those brand new alloys are. At the back, BMW introduced again, just showing you how nice the facelift LED rear lights are. We've opted to go for both a satin rear diffuser and rear spoiler on the car. You do of course get an automatic opening and closing tailgate on the Gran Coupes. That then reveals a huge boot area, and you can make that even larger thanks to the fact you can split fold the seats alongside removing both bottom and top partial shelves. Moving on to the other side, again you can see there not only how well the Alpine White works with all of the additions we've made to the car, but alongside just how nice and clean and tidy this vehicle is. And I shall now go ahead, take a seat inside the car and just run you through a couple of the interior features that I think really do make the 4 Series Gran Coupe stand out in the market today. Moving through, you can see there we've got the lovely professional wide navigation and media screen, and we'll run you through what is entailed on that in just a second. Down here of course we've got dual climate control, switches for our heated seats. This particular vehicle's covered just over 27,000 miles. We've got a really user-friendly system in terms of sat-nav. It utilises real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. You've got a really great wide array of multimedia inputs, including music collection, which is where you can store and rip your own multimedia to the car's hard drive, save you having to have lots of different multimedia inputs in the car, i.e. CDs or USB sticks. DAB radio, as you can see there, along with both Bluetooth audio and USB inputs, and of course we've also got Bluetooth telephone as well. Okay, so that is a short little look around at this fantastic 420D M Sport Gran Coupe. Before we leave the car, I'll just show you down here on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel. Of course, we don't want to forget the flappy paddles for the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, alongside the cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. So as always, we'd just like to thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video. Hopefully you've been able to enjoy it. However, if you do want to get in touch with us here, we will happily answer any questions we're able to. You'll always find the contact information down in the description, along with a link to our website, where of course you can view this vehicle in even further detail, along with prices and funding options. Thank you once again. Do of course take care, and we'll look forward to seeing yourselves very soon. Bye bye.